Sirena, harness the power of nature.
Let me show you how the Sirena could replace the broom inside of your home. Basically, just turn the machine on and start sweeping away. And as you see, everything goes straight into the water. There we go. Very nice, very easy. The reason we could sweep so well compared to a broom because it has all the holes on the bottom of it to create airflow and all the dirt will go straight into the water. You can also use this piece to do the walls inside of your home. Very easy, very simple. You can even add the other hose that comes with it, the power nozzle hose, to make it about 16 feet high. Not only to do the walls, but you can also do the ceilings with it. And everything goes straight into the water machine. Very nice, very easy. Within seconds, everything is clean.